Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ali living in a small village. He had a dog named Max and they were best friends. Ali and Max played together every day. They went for walks in the woods, played fetch in the park, and just hung out together. One day, Ali and Max were walking in the woods when Ali stopped to look at a flower. Max saw a squirrel and took off after it. Ali chased after Max, but he couldn't catch him. Max ran deep into the woods. Ali was heartbroken. He missed Max so much. They promised to never lose each other again. If you like this type of content, you can check out my channel. Thank you for watching. Welcome.